Use the following cards to answer questions 15 to 17. There are 6 digits and 1 decimal point to choose from. You cannot use the same card more than once per question. A number with a decimal must start with a digit, e.g. 0.23 is correct, but 0.23 is not. 16. What is the closest number to 100 that you can make with 4 cards? If we're looking to make a number which is the closest number to 100, then the first digit we should choose is a 9. We'll make a number which is 90 something, and we'll go for the highest number we can, so 97 is the highest number we can create, and then we'll use a third card which is a decimal point, and then use the highest value possible in the tenths column. The next highest value, of course, is 5. So by using the 3 highest value cards in order of tens, units and tenths and the decimal point, we've created the closest number we can to 100.